Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the ambassador pattern, a powerful technique for managing network connectivity in your applications. Let's get started. The ambassador pattern is like giving your application a helpful assistant for networking. It uses an out-of-process proxy to manage network requests on behalf of your application. Think of it as a diplomat handling external communications. At its core, the ambassador pattern involves a separate service living close to your application. This service intercepts network traffic, handling common connectivity tasks. It frees your application to focus on its core logic. This pattern is useful for legacy applications or when implementing cross-cutting networking concerns. Because it's a separate process, the ambassador can even be implemented in a different language, making it language agnostic. Imagine an older application needing to communicate with modern cloud services. Updating the codebase for monitoring, logging, routing, security, and resiliency can be tough. The ambassador offloads these tasks without touching the legacy code. Here are some key benefits. Offloading common tasks, language-agnostic solutions, extending legacy applications, centralized management, standardized instrumentation, improved reliability, and enhanced security. The ambassador acts as a proxy. Your application sends requests to the ambassador, which handles routing, authentication, security, resiliency, logging, and monitoring. It then sends the response back to your application. Ambassador services can be deployed as a sidecar, living alongside a single instance of your application, or as a daemon/Windows service shared by multiple processes. In containerized environments, it's often a separate container within the same pod. Consider the ambassador pattern when building common connectivity features for multiple languages, offloading cross-cutting concerns, or supporting cloud connectivity in legacy applications. The ambassador pattern might not be the best choice for latency-critical applications. Single language connectivity features best served by a client library or deeply integrated features. Consider latency overhead, avoid overly generalized features, plan how the client passes context, and decide on packaging, deployment, and whether to use shared or dedicated instances. In a nutshell, the ambassador pattern manages network connectivity with a co-located proxy. It's beneficial for legacy systems and consistent networking across technologies. Understand its benefits and trade-offs to make informed decisions.
If you're interested in related concepts, explore the sidecar pattern, which also deploys a helper container alongside your application to extend its functionality. Thanks for watching.